For months, leakers have been debating whether DJI would release a standard Avata 3 or something more radical. As we sit here in December 2025, the answer is finally clear. DJI isn't just upgrading the camera. They are changing the physics of flight. They are launching their first ever native 360-degree FPV drone. Imagine a machine that doesn't just record what's in front of it, but captures a full 8K spherical map of the sky as you scream through the air at 90 miles per hour. No more missed shots. No more, I wish I had looked left. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Today, we are diving into the most explosive tech release of 2026. We are breaking down the rumored dual-sensor rotating chassis, the new LiDAR-powered obstacle avoidance that makes this drone uncrashable, and the O4 Plus transmission system that allows you to fly miles away with a crystal-clear 120 Hz feed. If you are a professional filmmaker, a freestyle pilot, or just someone who loves the cutting edge of tech, you cannot afford to miss a single second of this. Because by the end of this video, you'll realize that every other drone in your collection just became a relic. Let's get into the revolution. Let's talk about the heart of this beast. The original Avata used a single 1/1.7-inch sensor. The Avata 2 bumped it to a 1/1.3. But the Avata 360? It is rumored to feature a dual-lens configuration with two 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensors. To the average person, those are just numbers. To a cinematographer, that is a miracle. We are talking about two sensors, larger than the ones found in most flagship smartphones, working in perfect synchronization. This setup allows for 8K video at 50 frames per second in a full 360-degree sphere. But here is where it gets crazy. The camera block isn't fixed. It's on a 90-degree mechanical pivot. When you want to fly standard FPV, one lens rotates forward, giving you a traditional view with zero distortion. When you want 360 mode, the block shifts, activating both lenses to stitch a seamless reality around the drone. This solves the 360 drone problem. In the past, if you wanted 360 footage, you had to strap a heavy camera to a drone and hope the propellers didn't ruin the shot. With the Avata 360, the propellers are positioned so they are invisible to the stitching software. It's the first time we've seen true, clean spherical video from a factory-built FPV unit. In the US, the biggest fear for new pilots is the crash. You spend $1,500 on a setup, and one tree branch ends it all. DJI's answer for 2026 is forward-facing LiDAR. The Avata 360 isn't just using cameras to see obstacles. It's using laser pulses to map the environment in real time. This is the same technology used in self-driving cars. In beginner mode, the drone creates a 10-foot virtual bubble. If you try to fly into a wall, the drone simply stops. But for the pros, this LiDAR powers something even better: proximity freestyle. The drone can now maintain a perfect 12-inch distance from any surface automatically. You can fly through a forest at max speed, and the AI will micro-adjust the altitude to skim the ground and dodge